Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and we got the, I got my induction cooktop. I'm just going to do, this is just like an updated review of how long it takes to heat boil 6 quarts of water with a cap on. So I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to use the most powerful burner, which is in the center, put it on power boil, and we'll see how long it takes, and then you guys will get a review of how actual powerful this thing is, because this is an 8 quart, but I'm only going to put 6 in it because that's all I need. So let's dump the 6 quarts in here. Alright, so we dumped it in there. Let's put it in the center. I have the plate right there. I'm going to use a lid, just so you know, because obviously without a lid it would be different, so with a lid it's going to be a lot faster, I would think so. Alright, so let's get a little bit closer. Alright, let me move a little bit closer so you guys can see when it's actually going to boil. Let's turn on the timer. We're going to hit power on. Alright, let's turn this timer on right here. We're going to do stopwatch. Alright, we're going to hit power on the power boil middle one, which is, like I said, is supposed to be the most powerful one. It turned off, obviously, so now we got to turn it back on. So we're going to hit power boil, then start. Alrighty? Start. Alright, so let's see how quick this thing can boil. You probably hear it going. It's going ring, makes that loud noise, so. So this would also be a review of the Salt impact bonded induction cookware. Remember, this is impact bonded. So they just put the metal on the bottom, so it doesn't heat up the entire thing. So just mind that as well. So I don't know if that does heat up quicker if you do have a full induction, tri-ply, cookware. So I'm not sure because I don't have that yet. So this is what we have to do a review on. Oh, it went off power boil. At 10 minutes it goes off power boil, I think.
So that's like a safety?
Yeah. So it didn't boil in the power boil time. So I hit it again. I don't know if you're supposed to, but it would block it out if you weren't supposed to, so. Right? It wouldn't let me press it again, so I pressed. So just to let you know, yeah, after 10 minutes for safety, this one goes down to 9. So I don't know, whatever. That's what it does. Alright, starting to boil. Starting to do a rapid boil, so it's about 12. There we go, rapid boil at 12:30, maybe 12:20, because I was missing it a little bit. So that's our rapid boil of 6 quarts. And you saw that was around 12:20 when it did it. Alright, so that's what you can expect, how long it's going to take for this induction cooktop to heat up an impact bonded cookware, 6 quarts, on the power boil option. Alright, so if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright, everybody enjoy, be safe, I'm out, bye bye.